Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. May peace, mercy, and blessing be on all of you. This is Milon Ahmmed. Today I'm gonna say something about flowers, and I love flowers. So I would like to say something about flowers, and you know that actually flowers is a symbol of love, purity, and peace. I have visited different places, and that time I thought that I should to make some videos of these beautiful flowers. That is why I made some videos. That's amazing place, amazing flowers, demonstration of this incredible beautiful flowers in a park. The name of this nice park is Bir Muktijodda Shahanara Begum Park. It's located at Hatemali Chowmatha in Borishal. I visited this place with my friends while raining. So you can see the sky is cloudy. By the way, the stunning beauty of these flowers and fragrance you can't ignore. You can't ignore this place. This place looks like heaven. Wow, just amazing. This is a little place, but its beauty you can't ignore. I would like to urge all of you to visit here. To visit here and to see the beauty of these flowers and such an amazing place, amazing beauty you can't get anywhere. So please come here and enjoy the nature and enjoy these flowers.